Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, AMSV, the Information Hub channel. Okay, so my name is Alma and welcome to my channel. Okay, so for today's video, magtagalog mo English lang ako guys ha, kasi alam ko I have medyo maraming mga viewers na hindi makaintindi ng Bisaya. So okay. So for today's video guys, I will be teaching you on how to join the Spingo app game sa TV5. I think familiar na kayo kung if you are TV5 kayo na viewer. Okay, so baka manalo kayo ng 100,000. Okay, diba? So good. It's a nice game actually. Please keep on watching on this video because I will be teaching you the step-by-step process on how to register and how to join. Okay, so first thing first guys, just download the app. Type mo lang this one, Spingo TV5 app. So lalabas yung logo na yan at yan ang i-click mo. Okay, so once successfully downloaded guys, click mo yung register. So yan, click mo yung register, then fill up all those information needed. Okay, then sa next sa bottom part, click mo yung check mo yung terms and condition, then create an account. Click mo yon. So after that, makareceive po kayo ng verification pin. So isa-send yon sa mobile number na ginagamit mo. Tapos i-input mo yon, then verify, submit the verify OTP. So yan, kapag successful na yung verification, so ano ka lang guys, log in ka na. So using your mobile and your number. So ganito po yun guys, kasi the game will be at 5:30 in the afternoon. Okay, so kapag siya guys, you will be creating an account on the onset of the game. Wala kayong marireceive na card pin or card number pin. So, it will be set the following day na. Katulad ko, I was registering my account on the onset of the game kasi I was curious then. So, the following day na ako nakapag-join. If siguro kung makapag-register ka morning, baka makapag-receive pa kayo ng card pin. So, yung card na pin, yun ang i-input mo. If napansin mo yan guys, napansin mo yun, di ba? May dyan, input, redeem card. So, i-input mo kasi yung pin, yung card number dyan na binibigay sa TV5 sa inyo. Araw-araw bibigyan po kayo. So, para makapag-join kayo sa game araw-araw. So, yan lang ka-simple guys. So, during the game, kung ano yung lumalabas sa screen, kung ano yung sinasabi ng host doon na ito yung mga number. Kasi ang the game is every time na yung host mag-ask ng question, tapos may mag-a-appear na number, yun na yun ang number na pipindutin mo. The game guys is blackout. So, if lahat ng numbers na malabas nasa card mo, so mananalo ka na. So i-validate mo lang, pindutin mo validate. So yun lang guys, kasimple. So thank you very much for watching and see you on my next video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Good luck.